Let's learn how to make a Fastpin. To make a Fastpin, go to your library and click on the blue drop-down arrow next to any of the decks. Then click Fastpin. Clicking the blue confirmation button will generate a Fastpin. This pin will be good for 14 days. You can give your students the 4-digit code, or you can copy the URL down below and let them paste that into the browser directly. Once you have that 4-digit pin, all they will need to do is go to the home page and click Fastpin, entering in that 4-digit pin, and then clicking play will load the deck. And just like that, they're ready to start learning.